Hey guys, so I just saw this really cool game. I think it was called Skyrim or something. Anyways, I have a free weekend, so I thought I'd try making something similar. Alright, let me put on my reading glasses and open up Visual Studio. Okay, so it's been 1 hour and I think I'm finally finished making the game engine. I feel like I could have added more features, but hey, I forgot my morning coffee. Alright, so it's been 2 hours and so far, I think it looks pretty decent. I think it needs more RPG elements and maybe some better graphics. I think it would also be cool if it was an open world MMO, but that might take like 2 whole days, so I think this time I'll leave it be. I mean, World of Warcraft took me almost an entire week to make. We're at the end of day 1, and I think the game is finally starting to take shape. I might need to invent a better GPU so I can make the graphics even better, but I don't think my viewers would want to watch that. You guys are here for game development, so I'll just stick to doing that. Okay, so we are finally done. Now, I know what you're thinking. You spent a whole weekend on this? Well, not all of us are perfect. It took me a whole day to come up with a good name. Legend of the Spork. Make sure to wishlist the game on Steam so you get notified for the full release. If we get this video to 1,000 likes, I'll make a video where I program the entire observable multiverse. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.